Ever wondered what you should legally disclose to potential buyers when you're thinking about selling? Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Mike with Marketing My Properties and welcome back to our channel. And today I'm going to be discussing about seller disclosures. A very boring topic, but could get you into a lot of legal troubles if you don't do the right thing. Selling the home is a major decision and it does come with a share of responsibilities, and disclosures is one of the key things you could do to keep yourself out of the courtroom. Let's dive in. When we talk about disclosures, we refer to the seller's duty to reveal specific known facts about a property. And trust me, it's better for both parties. The buyer avoids unpleasant surprises and the seller minimizes the risk of post-sale disputes or legal issues. Now, there's one thing California loves more than its beaches. It's paperwork. So don't be surprised with the amount of legal documents that you need to fill out or sign. Just part of the process. California does have a strict guideline when it comes to selling a property. Now, I'm not going to bore you in this video by discussing all the legal documents you need to fill out. For example, the NHD, Statewide Buyer Sell Advisory. But today, I'm going to discuss two of the most critical documents you as a home seller will be filling out. Real estate transfer disclosure statement and seller property questionnaire. So let's talk about those. The real estate transfer disclosure statement is a 3-page document. Basically, you're going to indicate to the buyer, are you occupying the property or not, and what items are included in the sale. As an example, is there a range? Is there a microwave? Garbage disposal? Is it on a septic tank or public sewer system? Does it have a pool, etc.? And here are a few of the questions for you to know about. Are there, to the best of your seller's knowledge, any of the above that are not in operating condition? So you need to disclose to the buyer which of the items in the property are not operating. Okay, moving along. Are you, seller, aware of any significant defects or malfunctions in any of the following? Interior walls, ceilings, floors, insulation, roof, windows, doors, foundation, and so on. So you need to disclose everything to the buyer. Here's some of my favorite ones. Are there any room additions, structural modifications, or other alterations or repairs made without permits? Guess what, Mr. and Mrs. Seller? If you converted the garage without permits, you need to disclose it to the buyer immediately. Homeowners, is it a condo or townhouse? Do you have homeowners association? Is there CCNRs? This is where you fill that information out in the real estate transfer disclosure statement. And you sign it, you give it to your agent, and you present it to the buyer. Now, moving along to the seller property questionnaire. This is a 4-page document where you need to fill out everything you know about the property. I'll read a few of the questions. Within the last 3 years, has anyone died in the property? Yes or no? You need to indicate that. Whether the property is a condominium or located in a planned unit development. Are there any alterations, modifications, replacement, improvements, remodeling done to any of the following? AC units, the whole 9 yards. Any defects? Do you have any structural defects? Do you have any water issues? Have you filed any disaster relief insurance claims? So this you need to fill out and present to the buyer. It's very important that you be upfront and direct and transparent with the buyer. Well, you might be thinking, Mike, what if I don't know the answer to these questions? Well, in California, your obligation is to only legally disclose what you specifically know. Now remember, disclosure isn't just about adhering to legal obligations. It's about establishing trust, ensuring smooth transactions, and protecting yourself from future legal liabilities. So in closing, if you're ever in doubt, always lead towards transparency. It's better to disclose than not disclose. Hope you found this information valuable. Comment below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.